Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you which is better, Wix or Squarespace. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Wix and Squarespace are website building tools for people who want to create and maintain a website but don't have coding skills. Squarespace is an all-in-one content management system. With a single subscription, you can make a website, host your content, register your own custom domain name, sell products, track your site's analytics, and much more. Wix is a free, user-friendly website building platform. Its intuitive technology and powerful built-in features give its users the freedom to design professional websites with ease that look amazing on any device. Squarespace beats Wix when it comes to its user interface. It's a much easier product to use. Additionally, its beautiful templates and layouts, which unlike Wix's are 100% mobile responsive, make it a particularly good choice for those working in creative industries. When it comes to general feature set, Wix is better. In particular, its e-commerce functionality is stronger than Squarespace's, as are its blogging and data capture features. There are more templates available for Wix, and its App Store contains a much wider range of integrations for the platform than the Squarespace equivalent. It's cheaper too, and if your needs are extremely basic, you can even use Wix for free. When you purchase a Wix or Squarespace plan, you get the following: a domain, templates, a content management system, hosting, and e commerce features. Wix plans and fees vary by location, but the pricing structure is fairly similar in most countries. In the US, there are currently 9 Wix plans available. These are the follows: free per month, combo for $16 per month, unlimited for $22, pro for $27, VIP for $45, business basic for $27, business unlimited for $32, business VIP for $59, and for enterprise, it's negotiable but starting at $500 per month. Discounts for the paid plans are available if you pay upfront for a year or more service, with a precise discount depending on the plan and the time period involved. Typically, Wix will email you an offer a few days after you sign up for its free trial, or make news of particular promotions available through its website. There are 4 main Squarespace plans available. You have the personal for $23 per month, business for $33, basic commerce for $36, and advanced commerce for $65. These plans work out around 24% to 30% cheaper if you pay on an annual basis. There's a 14-day free trial available, which you can access on the Squarespace website. In addition to the main Squarespace plans listed, there is a Squarespace Enterprise plan to consider. The pricing for this is negotiable and based on your requirements. The most obvious difference between Squarespace and Wix in the pricing department is that Wix provides an entirely free plan, whereas Squarespace offers a time-limited free trial. In terms of quantity, Wix wins in a template shootout. It comes with over 800 templates to Squarespace's 155 or so. In terms of quality, however, there is something undeniably special about the design of Squarespace templates, and accordingly, Wix has the edge in the aesthetics department. As for typefaces, Squarespace currently offers the greater selection of them. You can currently make use of over 600 Google and 1,000 Adobe fonts, while Wix restricts your choice in this area to around 145. Wix makes it easier to install custom fonts on your website, whereas in Wix it's a simple case of uploading a font file. The process for doing so in Squarespace requires a little bit of coding. There are two main benefits to responsive design over absolute positioning. First, it means less work for you. Wix's use of absolute positioning means that you have to create two versions of your website, one for desktop and another for mobile. Both Wix and Squarespace give you a lot of control of how your site appears on different devices, allowing you to move and resize elements on the mobile version of your site easily. Squarespace is reasonably good when it comes to importing content. It allows you to import text content from WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. As for products, Squarespace provides wizards to bring data across from Shopify, Etsy, and BigCartel. Alternatively, you can import products via CSV file. In total, you can import up to 10,000 products into Squarespace. Exporting products is also straightforward enough in Squarespace. Although digital goods can't be exported, and a 10,000 product export limit applies. When it comes to Wix, the import-export options available depend on which version of the interface you're using. You can import up to 50,000 products into Wix via CSV, but oddly, only in batches of 5,000. As for exports, you can export products with Wix with a 5,000 product limit applying. Wix is a bit more flexible on the heading styles front. You can make use of up to 6 levels. Squarespace only provides 4 levels. Both platforms let you define up to 3 paragraph styles. Uploading and manipulating images in both Squarespace and Wix is straightforward. Wix scores more highly in terms of where you can source your images from. The editing functionality is a bit more extensive too. You can apply a wider range of filters to your images and use an auto cutout feature to remove backgrounds from pictures. Squarespace is better when it comes to optimizing images for use across multiple devices, however, allowing you to set a focal point for your pictures. In terms of galleries, both Wix and Squarespace provide you with a good range of options on that front, including carousel, grid, and masonry formats, amongst others. Blogging is crucial to traffic generation, and both Squarespace and Wix provide built-in blogging tools. The main problem with Squarespace's blogging tool is that it doesn't feature any autosave or revision history features. You can connect the platform to a wide range of social media accounts and import content directly from them. By contrast, Wix does provide these autosave features when it comes to blogging. Wix periodically saves your site content automatically and gives you access to all versions of your site. These can be restored if necessary. And that's it. Those are some of the best features of Wix and Squarespace. Now choose the website building tool that is appropriate on your preference. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!